see any much difference between them in the home. Even at work. Even at work too. Women also can drive aeroplanes now. Women can also drive trains now. Buses. I mean anything that a husband can do, a wife can also do. A woman can change nappies. The husband can also change nappies. A woman can wash dishes. The husband can also wash the dishes.
I think generally nowadays the younger men, the younger males are really they're open-minded as compared to the older males.
Fathers definitely become more involved in their kids' upbringing. It's not just women that get up in the night and look after the babies, and it's also the men start doing that and that's a necessity because both partners have now got careers tomorrow morning, so that's a natural flow from that.